guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. I am back today with another look, and this time it's gonna be with an Indian attire, and also I'm gonna be sharing my 2 cents of the month, which I'm very excited again. And just to give you a little hint of how the look is gonna come out, watch the next clip. Alrighty, so I hope you guys like the clip, and without any further ado, let's get into the makeup and let's glam up. So I have been wanting to do this Indian look with you guys for a very long time, and I was like, this is a perfect timing, let's just do it. And I'm also gonna try this new reversed cat eye look. So let's go ahead and start with it. First of all, I'm gonna prep my skin. I'm gonna use the primer, and I recently got this primer from from ELF, and it's hydrating face primer. So let's go ahead and apply this to our skin. I've already moisturized my skin very well with SPF. Let's go ahead and apply this. And now after the primer, I'm gonna apply this is ELF Prep and Hydrate Balm. So it kind of it's for like that extra level of hydration to your skin. Let me just apply that. Also, check out my nails. I got this done. These are dip nails. Love them, by the way. I'm gonna post a picture here just so you get a nice look of it. But yeah, this is how they look. I am gonna start with foundation, and this is from Tarte. So I'm just gonna take some in my hand, and I have been using brush to apply foundation, and I really like it. And now I'm gonna do the concealer. And also this month's scents are inspired by Chanel and Dior, so I'm so excited about that. These perfumes have literally been life-changing, game-changing for me, because the smell is so luxurious and it doesn't cost you a lot of money. So that is literally game-changing for me. I always have a lot of redness around my nose, so I make sure I apply the concealer over there. And then I'm just gonna mix it with the same brush. Alright, to start my eye makeup, I am gonna be using a nude palette, and I'm gonna be using the color Clay, which is this, just for the base. So I go light and then I go dark. So let's go ahead and start the base. What I'm gonna get into is Indulge, which is this, a little more darker. So let's go ahead and get into that. Alright, so the bases are done. Now let's go ahead and start with the bottom reverse cat eye. Use my ELF eyeliner. I'm just gonna start with the eyeliner, and then I'm gonna use the eyeshadow to kind of finish the look. So let's see. Tarte palette. This is like a full-fledged palette that has blush and eyeshadows and eyeliners and lipstick and everything, and bronzers and everything kind of thing. So I'm going to use their Cynic, which is not Cynic actually. I'm going to use their Wayfair, which is in black color, like dark black. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to take this brush. I am going to start from the middle and then gonna go to the inside first and then make the outside. So I really love the way the reverse cat eye look came out. Really like it. It was super simple to do, as you guys saw. And now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna do, for the final eyeshadow actually, I'm gonna do chrome paint, and this is from Tarte. This is from Tarte, and this is like a glitter. So I'm gonna take a brush and just dab it on my eyelids. Since I found out about Dossier, I have my own little Dossier collection that is just so good. And any day I want to go out, like evening, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I can just use all different perfumes, and they're inspired by all luxury brands, and I just don't have to worry about it. All right, I really like the way it came out to be, as you can see. And this reverse eye cat eye is really good, very interesting, by the way. Now I'm gonna do mascara, and for mascara I'm gonna do the Essence Lash Princess. It gives such volume to your eyelashes and also length. So let's go ahead and apply that. Can you even see the difference here? Let's go ahead and contour, and for contour I am using this LA Girl Pro concealer. This is in dark color, but you can use it as a concealer. So let's go. And for that, I'm again going to use the same foundation brush. I love the texture of this because it's creamy, so it's very easy to blend, and it blends very well. Now for the blush and highlighter, I really like mixing these two. And let me show you again. So I take blush, and I like to apply my blush that goes up like this instead of like this. So that's why I am gonna add the blush here and here. Same thing here and here. And I'm gonna mix it in with the highlighter. So I'm gonna do here, here, and on my nose. Very important, your nose need to be shining all the time. So take the brush very gently. I just mix it here. See, you can just literally start seeing the difference as you mix it. And I love this highlighter. This is from Rare Beauty. This is in Flaunt, so I really love this. It's very smooth, silky, and it just blends to your skin very well. And then I'm going to take a brush and just go up. I'm gonna go for the lipstick. This is an Mochalicious color. This is from Wet n Wild. Lastly, I am gonna be setting my makeup with this setting spray from Tarte. All right, makeup is all done, and I'm gonna go wear my dress, and then you guys don't have to wait anymore because I'm gonna share the perfume of the month. So let's go get changed. You guys saw the entire dress. It just goes along very well, the makeup, the dress, and everything. And now for the most excited part, I want to share the scent. The first one that I'm going to be sharing is Floral Grapefruit, and the smell of this is mind-blowing because it is inspired by Chanel. And let me just look at that. Oh, it's just so satisfying and so good. And the best part about this is that it has the notes where it says that this is the top note, middle note, and the base note, so you have a little idea of what you're smelling. So I really love that. One is Aromatic Star Anise, and this is like a unisex one, and I just love because this is inspired by Dior. And again, it says the top, middle, and the base note, and it's just so freaking amazing. Like I said, they are very affordable, and even if you finish this bottle, you won't think twice about getting it again because again, it's affordable and smells amazing. So you guys need to check them out. I'm kind of literally repeating again, but yeah, you guys need to check them out. All the details will be in the description box below. So yeah, once you try them, you guys are gonna become lover of Dossier perfumes forever, and you're not gonna touch any other perfumes, trust me. So I hope you liked today's makeup and the two perfumes that I shared. So let me know in the comment section below how you like it, makeup and perfume, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.